Yeah. Ito na pina-auction, oh. Ganda, oh. Ganda pala. Smoky din.
If you got a 500, yes, we got the 500. We got the 500. Are we going to go any more than 500? We're going to go any more? Yes. Any more? Surely not. 120 we have. Yep, 120 we're 140. Tell me 140. 120 in the bid so far. We'll sell though. 120. Surely not. Surely not. 120. 120. We'll leave that one alone. There's probably someone from Aussie. 140. 140 in the bid now. 140. Tell me differently. We'll go in 20s otherwise. 140. 140. This is far too cheap. Far too cheap. 140. 160. 160. You see them on the internet for $200 or $300, and here we are only at 160. 160 at the back. We got one any more. 160. Well, 180. Surely. Surely 180. No. 160. We'll sell. 160 once. 160 twice. Sold for a mere $160.
Ooh.
He is off 280 and a blue chip in 166, which would be my number one stock here.
166 or 161?
161 is the hen, and
Yeah.
280 is the cock.
Yeah.
I've got another cock there, 109, that's one I like for me. He's got a trophy at home at present, and he's a superb brother. And there's been a lot of good pickings off him.
60. I'm just saying that we may be at
Second bird.
360 now. 360. Halve it up if you like, though. Halves, yeah, that's the story. 380, 380, 380 again. 400, 400 now. 400. Blow them out and say 500, but 400 so far. 400. Shall we go any more? 400. Another couple? Yeah, 420. 420. 420 still going. 420. Yeah, 440. 440. 440 the number. 440. We'll get to that 500. 440. Yay. 440. 440. 440. 440 the bid. Are we going to more than 440? Are we going to sell? We're having a chat about it. 460? 460? Yep, 460. 480. When you go 500, boy. Come on. 480 now. 480. You'll stop them at 500. If you go to 500, yes, we got the 500. We got the 500. Are we going to go any more than 500? We're going to go any more? Yes, 520. 520. Maybe if we stay long enough, we'll get $1,000. But we're at 520. We're at 520. Are we all selling? Are we all sold at 520? Are we all out? Think about it. 520 once. 520 twice. Sold at 520 to Warwick.
Ito yung kanina nagbe-bidding, ito yung ibon na pina-auction. Smoky ba yan? Blue bar white flight hen. Jansen eh, oh, saka Muliman. Pero yung pinakamaganda dyan, ito. Ayan. Yung number 4. 280. Yung 109, magaling talaga yung 109, full brother to 109, who won Federation race and won a number of races for carry. Full relation also done well. Oh. Ito pala yung pina-auction, no?
The cock, yeah, it is. The cock and the hen put together. Same family. The cock is a son.
Wait, can I hold it?
The hen puts blood lines to that. Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
The only thing is it's 5, it's 10, but yeah.
That's all right.
Yeah. Ito na pina-auction, no? Ganda, oh. Ganda pala.
But I shared it with them.
Smoky din. Ganda, boy. Wow. Hen ba to? Parang hen. Hen yan. Ang ganda, boy. Parang blue bar na
Yeah, when do you want to pick it up? Tomorrow?
yan yung pina-auction kanina, yun. 160, 180. Nasaan yung 500?
Just tell me what day. 3 days road to account.